Hi everyone, how are you? Today in this video I will show you how to download Windows 10 in USB drive or flash drive. So let's get started. First of all, open the browser. Let's open the browser and in the browser type download Windows 10. Now click the very first link, download Windows 10 disk image ISO file. When you click on that, there is a two options, update now, download tool now. So you have to click on download tool now. Now the tool is downloading. Click on that and run that tool. When you click on that and run this media creation tool, then this setup will be open. Windows 10 setup, applicable, notices and license terms, and it is asking you decline, accept. Click on accept. Now it is asking what do you want to do, upgrade this PC or create installation media, USB flash drive, DVD or ISO file for another PC. So if you want to upgrade this machine, you have to click on upgrade this PC, or if you want to create or download a Windows 10 in a USB drive, so click on download installation media. So this video is about how to download Windows 10 in a USB flash drive. So click on create installation media, then click next. Now there is the option select language, architecture and edition. So uncheck, use the recommended option, or you can click on check and click next. So let's uncheck and let's show you. So when you click on uncheck, it will give you the options to the language. You can put the language according to your need, and after that edition and architecture, 64-bit or 32-bit. You can check the 64-bit or 32-bit. Go to this PC and go to properties. Now there, system type. In system type you can see 64-bit operating system, so you can choose 64-bit. If you can see 32-bit, so you can choose 32-bit. So click next. When you click next, there is two options, USB flash drive, ISO file. So when you put the USB flash drive on your PC or in your laptop, at least it should be around 8 GB. You can see that it needs to be at least 8 GB. So make sure that you have enough space of 8 GB in your flash drive or USB flash drive. So click on USB flash drive and click next. When you click on next, here it will show you the USB flash drive which you have inserted in your PC or in your laptop. Then click next. When you click next, and after 15 to 20 minutes, the Windows will download in your USB flash drive, and that's how you can download Windows 10 in a USB flash drive, and using that you can install Windows 10 in any other machine. So that's how you can download Windows 10 in the USB flash drive. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.